All right, stocks 5150 stocks are crazy. Today was the worst trading day for me anyway. Stuck on the wrong side and I didn't get out, and so 6K, 6K in the hole. That being said, it's time to get back at it. Let's see. So right now we're just trending, chopping sideways. So there we go. Um, 2017, 2017. I'm gonna hold these two contracts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go in and out or not, but we'll see how we do. Maybe that is what we do. Just scalp for the night. 78. Terrible trading day. Didn't really trade, but it was a terrible feeling watching that money just go down the drain. Uh, yeah, probably gonna quit. I don't know. We'll see what happens. A little bit I got left, I'll just scout. Try to stay on the other side. See how this goes. Outlook, I don't want that open. It's weird. It's like hard for me to snatch the $40 out like I used to. It's just weird. Definitely not trading good right now. We're in an uptrend though. Slight. Look at that gap like that. Definitely don't know if I trust that. It's a big gap right there. I was trying to short if it hit up here, but it didn't make it up there. So just trying to catch that this move that's happening right now back down. So let's do another one. Let's reset. If it comes back down and touches, let's see. All right, so we'll see if we're gonna get up or we're gonna go down. Playing in the middle right now. That one, the high was 290. So we'll go to 300 on this. Wait, what was that? 297. We'll do 298. One mind says, why didn't you just close out and short the rest of the day? Why did I hold on? Something happens to me, man. I mean, psychologically, something happens. I get stuck, and I just feel like there's nothing I can do about it. Like I could have actually closed that out and just traded. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't do it. Almost like how when you, I don't know, you like you living doing the pain, going through the pain, you want the pain almost. It's weird. Oh, good news. Prayer to Badlands is playing. Guess I'll be doing that today. I'm gonna go to the movies tonight. I've been wanting to see that movie. That's what I'm gonna do. Thank you, God. I already seen Black Phone too. That was good. All right, where we at? 67. We wicked. Close to it. Interesting. I know how to trade, man. I just fucking sat there and took that L today for some weird reason. Some weird reason. All right, that's tripping. See, one more push up. Let's go. See, we're at 295. Oh, that's coming down. Where is it? Here we go. At 98, we're at 95, 91. Resistance. All right, so that slid down. I didn't expect that. I'm gonna get out. Yeah, damn. See, should have got out. Wait, bounce. All right, might bounce off this and get us a push up. Nice. We can hold that level. Mm, looks like we're heading back. Okay. All right, we got us push bottom wick, tightening up, throwing that range. Okay, nice. This is it right here. We get the push on this. Don't seem like it's trying to break through. Keeps touching it. Need 8 points. Honestly, it's gonna play right here. I can feel. So let's go ahead and bring this. Yeah, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. This thing be jumping on you right here. Bring it down to 95. I mean, it'll push up. We'll hit that. 94, one more point. We in sight right now. One more push. Uh, that's I'm taking. I don't want to ride back down if I can help it. Let's close this out. See, I don't like hanging out here because I have a feeling that I got one of these big flush candles coming up soon. 91. Let's go. Here we go. You can do it. Yeah, no, it's turning on me. Yeah, I don't like sitting there this long like that. All right. All right, so I got out of that one. Think that gave me like 40 bucks or something, probably. You get the worst when you do that. You flatten like that. 20. That was just now. Yeah, like 40. Okay. 50 bucks. Still at it. Let's go. Because I have a feeling that's going to be pulling back and sitting down in the middle. I don't feel like dealing with that. See? See, back underneath again. All right, we'll see. We at 84, 83. All right, so we hit. So that means more than likely it's probably gonna come back down to this level. Kind of diddling in the middle. Where we at on the 5 minute? Let's see. On the 5 minute, we still below. Just trying to touch that. You see, it's crazy how the timelines or time frames. On here, 14 didn't even get touched. That's what we're pushing up against on there. On the ticks, of course, the crossing is going down. It's a lot going on over there. On the minute, we were at, this is where we were trading at in a minute. And we were in between in the range. Now we're below. 5 minutes is a little slower. I'm right that level there. So we are going to sit here and chop 430. All right. Right now, let me see something. What is 430? Actually, I got those two in. They were two greens. Time now is 427. I think I'm just gonna leave that like it is. Work out and then yeah, I'm gonna work out and then get out of here. What I can say is where one of my mistakes was, see this gap right here? I thought that had filled because of this from the other day right here. But what I come to find out is that gaps that fill overnight sessions don't matter. It only matters if the gap fills during the New York session because it during the New York session it comes back and revisits that and comes down. And that's what happened today. So we're right back. We're starting over, reset. Yes, is where one of my mistakes was. See this gap right here? I thought that had filled because of this from the other day, right here. But what I come to find out is that gaps that fill overnight sessions don't matter. It only matters if the gap fills during the New York session. Because if during the New York session it comes back and revisits that, it comes down. And that's what happened today. So we're right back, starting over. I can't say
Every white dermatologist won't tell you about foot fungus. Myth one, if your feet look like this or like this, it means that they are just dry. Wrong. When guys come to me, they always tell me they have a white flaky spot between their toes. But if it was dry skin, moisturizer would fix it. But it doesn't because it's not dry at all. It's actually give me than the devil till I join up. If you're still using agents to buy cars.
Supporting my family comes first. Receipt. Jaguar claims there's actual footage of 50 Cent getting down and busy with none other than Soulja Boy. But is Jaguar just stirring the pot? Or is 50 Cent really engaging in Diddy activities behind the scenes?
I know you're tight for this. You're gonna fall for one of my drills. See if you figure out which one.
All right, so Jaguar is out here claiming she has proof that 50 Cent plays for the other team, and then she took it a step further and said 50 and Soulja Boy used to be an item back in the day.
You did a PSA on Curtis about him and Soldier Boy. Yeah. On the cover of you know. kind of poking the bear there.
I'm not poking a bear. I'm saying that he's a stoner.
All right, so we making a move. Slight. I really shouldn't even say nothing after this right here. Shit, bro. Oh, that's what I was supposed to be doing. Let me look and see. I got caught up reading this. Nvidia stock slid today. What is Nvidia at? 188. No fucking wonder, man. No wonder the damn. No wonder the market crashed now. I think it's funny that these fools already begging for money from the government already. I'm like, we might need a bailout. What are you, a bank? Man, fuck the tech companies. You go out of business, you out of business. Jeez. Begging. This right here though is classic. I think they setting up for earnings disappointment. That's what I think they're doing. I think they're setting it up for earnings disappointment. Then earnings, Nvidia earnings miss. Let's see. If Nvidia went down today, how much? So Nvidia went down said 188. I took everything else down. Oh, I gotta invest in my SCHD also. That's just holding. That don't even move. I need to do that. But if Nvidia is sliding down like they are right now, it's the helicopter flying behind my house. In a fucking war zone these days, yo. Well, not quite, but it's a lot of aerial activity. At any rate, shoot, this is where we at. We're sitting at 170. It's 78. Let's look at this chart. Let's see what we got. 87. Figure what we're gonna go to 459 on this one. 459, 440. Let's see what that'll be. Or just let it run. I could just let it run. Or we gapped up. 338. We let it get to 440. 440 would be 7. What's this? This is 339. 25 3. What is this right here? 341. 340. 350. And we'll catch a pullback. So if it hit 350, we'll catch a pullback. We'll get out, catch a pullback. But what I was gonna look at was let's look at this on a bracket right quick. I want to see something. Oh, first I need to see where we were. What was the high for the day? That's what I was looking at. Put this on the daily. So this is today. The high today is 823, right? Okay, 823 bracket. 25, 823. Chart. All right, let's see what that is. 25, 800. That's weird. Like going back, that's only 2000. But it's down six. What did I do? I did something. Must have did something wrong. Hold on, let me look at this again. What is different? That's the 4 hour. Put this thing on the daily for today. This was yesterday. Yesterday the high was 25,954. Today the high was 25,823. Oh, maybe that's why. So let's see. Put it at that 26,105. 26. That only takes you to three. Oh, I have five contracts. That's why it was a multiple. I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Not gonna do that. No. 'All right, we're coming back. We're pushing. See, I don't like how it gets. It's giving up, not giving, not what I want. What's it looking like on the one? Yeah, it's getting ready to do something here. Like 25, 300. I think that'll be where it'll hit some resistance. Well, it's at 310 now. What do I have this one at? 350. Yeah, 350 might be a little bit ambitious. Let's bring that down to, what is this? This is at 338. Cancel. 338. We do 335. Filling up. Sweet. This volume's too weak to be playing. I'm trying to play too heavy for such low volume playing. This is the I need to just get this, take this. 307, take 310, get out. If we can get up there. Let's see. That might be pushing it. Yeah, acts like he wants to give up. All right, this is it. Get this 100 right quick. One more move. There it goes. All right, so now wait for it to come back down. 302. Put an order in for 305. And we'll ride 305 back. So we pull back, see if we get 305 and ride it back. We're chipping away at that 6K. We chipping away at that 6K. Yeah. I got to work out right quick. Uh, yeah. All right. We're active again. 302. What did I say? 305, 305. And this one will take up to 335. Do I still have that order? Oh, 305. I don't even know if I got enough to do one more. Let's see. Nope. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be investing in Expedia on my Expedia account, E-Trade account. You gotta have the long term. This right here is YOLOing, you know what I'm saying? Just so you know. All right, we're bouncing, getting green again. I think what am I supposed to be doing on this? This is supposed to go to up to 330, 25, 330, 330. Sell two, got two. All right, so we're shooting for 330 now. I got that one order down here at the bottom in case we drop back down, and if we do, then I'll sell two. Look like we're not dropping back down though. I got this figured out, man. I just need to like chill out. Shit. Stop being greedy. Stop being greedy. You heard what I said. Look at that. That's another 40. Get ready to head for the 100. Oh wait, we're pulling back. If we come down and I get that third one in, that's what I'm doing. I just do three. All right, pulling back down. I pull down and I pick up that one order that I got down at the bottom. That's all the way at the bottom. Down here, I got one for 300. Just because. We're pulling back. Nah, not yet. Got a wick on the bottom. We're gonna push. All right, just put 3K in SCHD. Long term is important, yo. Can't be out here doing this YOLO crap if you ain't got your long term in order. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of stupid. So we sitting here fiddling with this. Where are we going to? 15, 10, 10, 15. All right, we're coming back down, getting some gas. This will be for the next push up. Might pick up a passenger on the way if we get down low enough and then have three. Something happen. Oh, 5 o'clock. Market's closed. All right, market's closed. Fair enough. All right, so that's it. So market's closed now. It's 5 o'clock. So we're stuck at 43. That's good. That's two contracts. I'm gonna take this opportunity and close like 305. Okay, so it canceled all the orders that I had because they were for the day. So now where we are is when we return at about 9 or so, two things that happen. Either the market's gonna go crazy or Asia's gonna pick up where we left off and continue collapsing. It's a tricky place to be. For that, I am gonna put a stop. Well, I can't even put no orders in, I don't think, right now. Let me see if I can or not. If I can, let's see, I'll do it for 25. 25 220 and 25 380. Let's see. 25 220 would be the low. Not much lower. But I don't want to be caught with my pants down like yesterday. That's 20,000. 25. That's still 300 down. Where are we at? 25 3. All right, we'll close it out. 25 290. And as far as this goes, maybe we gap up 25 8 281. 25 25 400. 25 400. All right, so I can't do anything because the market's closed. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna work out, and that's it. I'm stuck in one. Once I was trying to coach a little league basketball team, right? And we were doing good. We were losing, and we were down to the fourth quarter and had one more play. And we went back out there, and I didn't call timeout. And and we lost by 1 point. We were down by 10, and we lost by 2 points, I think. We could have came back and tied the game with that play. But I didn't know how to use time management. That happened again. But Nvidia is moving back up. So that's what we need. What we need tonight is to get this, recapture all of this. Make it happen. Asia can cruise back up slowly. I don't think we have any heavy market data coming out, but if we do, we'll see. All right, stocks 5150. I feel a lot better. I mean that 6K is heavy, but at the same time, I could have stopped the bleeding, man. I gotta fucking figure out why I don't never do that. I just sit there and watch it bleed. Almost like that makes me feel alive to watch it go away. Psycho. All right, peace.